Hi super achievers, welcome to my channel at the rate प्रताप हरिचंदन in the bracket the sixth sense PH, जहां हम लोगों सुपर अचीवर्स बनाते हैं। अगर आपको सुपर अचीवर बनना है तो ज्वाइन कीजिए हमें and you will become a super achiever in all areas of life, live a purposeful, joyful and rich life। आज का जो टॉपिक सब्जेक्ट है फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि एग्जाम्स 2-2.5 महीना है शायद एग्जाम्स 10th and 12th, देन आपका कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स नीट and not NEET, it is G, I think it is in February. So how to bring good grades, also crack your G को जानना है तो एंड तक बने रहिए। I will tell some techniques, that is mindset techniques, which will help you to perform well and bring good grades in your exam। क्योंकि देखिए आज स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स क्या क्या चैलेंजेस है, डेफिनेटली to stay focused, motivated, work hard on the line of requirement, this thing, procrastination, overwhelming, preparation होने के बाद भी आपको सोचता है कि नहीं हुआ है, ये सब चीज। तो इस माइंडसेट में आप कैसे परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं एग्जाम? नहीं, कभी नहीं। तो आज देखेंगे what are the mindset technique which will help you to bring excellent grades in your exams। And remember, it is not only talent or intelligence, it is mindset also। तो पहले देखते हैं why this mindset is critical for the exam। Let us take, imagine our brain is a super car and who is the driver? उसमें ड्राइवर है mindset। अगर आपका mindset focused and confident है, definitely you are winning the race। अगर confident और फोकस नहीं है, then what happens, you know, accident or you lose the race। So it is the mindset first, then the execution, because mindset only tells you execute this way। So what is the goodness now? I will tell you the techniques। First let us see the steps briefly, then we will go step by step process। First step है goal setting। एग्जाम के लिए आपके पास एक तो टारगेट होगा, अभी लिखे, राइट डाउन दिस वन, विल एक्सप्लेन लिटिल बिट व्हेन यू गो द एक्सप्लेन इन द डिटेल। सो फर्स्ट इज गोल सेटिंग, सेकंड है आपका विजुअलाइजेशन, इट इज आल्सो टेक्निक। देन अफर्मेशन में एक ऑलरेडी मैं वीडियो बना चुका हूँ, अगर ज़्यादा डिटेल चाहिए उसमें मैं एक्सप्लेन किया हूँ। हियर ऑल्सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन फॉर एग्जाम्स ओनली। थर्ड इज कंसिस्टेंट एक्शन, मैसिव एक्शंस। फर्स्ट स्टेप ये गोल सेटिंग। कोई भी चीज पाने के लिए आपके पास में एक गोल होना चाहिए, एक क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए कि माइंड को क्लैरिटी की जरूरत है कि आपको क्या चाहिए। तो राइट डाउन दिस वन कि मेरे को एग्जाम में अभी मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, एग्जाम जो अभी स्कूल का एग्जाम में भी यहाँ पर हूँ, मेरा फाइनल एग्जाम में मेरे को कहाँ तक पहुँचना है, आइदर इट इज ग्रेड और योर परसेंटेज। सपोज यू आर इन ग्रेड B+, so you can write down A or A+, A then A+, O, like that। Percentage also 70 to 85%। See, this must range between 10 to 15% or 15 to 20% as per your capability, because आपको पता है मेरा capability क्या है and उसको थोड़ा push कर सकते हैं आगे, right? This is your goal setting। Clear? I think it's clear। Next go to the visualization process। Visualization process ये है कि you have to visualize you are writing the exam fantastically, excellently। That we have to visualize in present tense, as if you are writing now, and you have to do it daily basis। So what are the steps for that visualization technique? Just prepare a area where you study area, it should be very clean, and sit comfortably, then take 5 deep breaths। Please follow the steps। Take 5 deep breaths to relax your body and calm your mind। Once it is over, then start visualizing that you are entering the exam hall with confidence and calm and confidence, sitting in the examination hall at your seat, received the question paper, answer paper, you are ready। While seeing the question paper, everything you know, all the question paper questions, answers you know, clean, very clear, and you started writing down and finishing your exam on time, then that means on time means you are revising whatever you have written, everything is over on time, अब खत्म किया. सेकेंड स्टेप, थोड़ा सा कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा आपको कि डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, यू आर सॉल्विंग दैट क्वेश्चन स्टेप बाय स्मॉल स्टेप बाय प्रोसेस, खत्म किया उसको भी, एंड सबमिटेड योर आंसर पेपर एंड कम आउट द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल विथ हैप्पी. थर्ड स्टेप जो है, you have to do this visualization technique every morning and before going to bed 2 times, 5 to 10 minutes it may take you. It is up to you. Minimum 5, maximum 10 minutes. Very clear. If you are confused, you can ask me questions, I can explain you. Please DM me. Clear है? Next है positive affirmations. Positive affirmation क्या है? You have to say super words. What words you are using for yourself. No negative words till your exam or results are published. ऐसे भी देखेंगे, why should we be negative? क्यों negative word use करना है लाइफ में? Because positivity attracts positive things in your life. So why negative? Why should we be negative? Let us see. Here also you have to write down 5 positive affirmation sentences for your exams only. I am telling you some examples, 3 statements. You can write these 3 or you can write your own. पहला जो sentence है, I am prepared and focused for my exam. I can answer easily all questions in my exam. My hard work is paying off in excellent results. These are 3 examples I gave you. आप 5 लिख सकते हैं कि मैं अच्छा से प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ, हिंदी में लिख सकते हैं फॉर एग्जाम. आई एम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, माई ग्रेड्स आर फ्रॉम A to A+, लाइक दिस लिख सकते हैं. 5 affirmation sentence every morning after you are refreshing. Write down 5 affirmation sentences particularly for your exams. Parents also, you also can write. Students, you may write. You can write for your child. Both, it becomes more powerful. If you're writing both, students and parents, अगर आप लोग दोनों लिख रहे हैं, it becomes more powerful, more positive, right? Second में last और next step है consistent massive actions. ये क्या है? अगर सोचिए, विजुअलाइजेशन एंड पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन, ये 2 पार्ट है इंजन का. इंजन कैसे चलता है? इंजन को फ्यूल चाहिए ना, तो फ्यूल कहां से आएगा? एक्शन, मैसिव एक्शन इज द फ्यूल. द एक्शन, इफ यू आर टेकिंग ओनली एक्शन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्शन एंड मैसिव एक्शन, मैसिव है तो मैसिव रिजल्ट्स यू विल गेट. सिमिलरली हियर यू हैव टू टेक एक्शंस. क्या क्या एक्शन लेना है? आई थिंक एक्शन तो पढ़ाई तो कर रहे हैं ना, कुछ तो शेड्यूल बनाया होगा, कुछ तो कर रहे होंगे. सो उसी को थोड़ा रिफाइन वे में मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो क्रिएट योर स्टडी प्लान आपने किया होगा, और एक बार उसको एक्चुअली वीकली बेसिस आपको उसको रिफाइन करना चाहिए, बिकॉज एग्जाम्स आर नियरिंग. सो उसको रिफाइन कीजिए. यूज टाइम ब्लॉकिंग, दैट मीन्स थोड़ा जिसमें ज़्यादा आपको प्रॉब्लम है, यू आर नॉट गुड एट द सब्जेक्ट, मोर फोकस्ड, मोर टाइम. Solve mock test. I have also advised. I have said some students, they are appearing for the 10th board, so I have set mock test from the test paper or somewhere else from the internet. You download and take more mock test every day. Review. If you have finished your chapters, review, revision, mock test. Review, revision, mock test. This is the massive action. So see how it is becoming more powerful. So let us see what are the actions. Briefly, what are the actions आपको लेना है? First, goal setting तो आपने कर लिया. It is one time only. Clear? The first step है, when you get up in the morning, visualization 5 to 10 minutes. Process, the visualization process you go through, I have just explained. Second day, writing down 5 positive affirmation sentences for your exam. And third is, what are the actions you have written down, your study plan, mock test you have to take. So these are the 3 steps. Like, clear? Next है, जो एग्जाम सक्सेस मंत्र क्या हो गया? Let us see. It is goal setting, visualization, affirmation, and massive actions. So these are the 4 steps. First step is one time, that is goal setting. Other 3 things you have to execute every day without fail consistently. Right? Let us take some examples, real life examples, stories. You know PV Sindhu, who is our gold medalist in Olympics. She used to visualize the match. Before every match, she used to visualize the match, that she is winning the match, or any sort she is playing, whatever it is. Very clearly she visualizes. And our cricketer, MS Dhoni, you see him, how cool he is in the field. No tension, whatever it happens. So what does he do? He writes or says positive affirmation sentences. Always he is positive and calm and confident. So this is the effect of these things: visualization, positive affirmations, and actions, massive actions. So जब वो लोग कर सकते हैं, आप तो कर सकते हैं ना? Every one individual has the ability, capability to perform in their life. Either it is physical exam or life exams, have the capabilities. तो क्यों नहीं कर सकते? So these are the techniques जो कि बहुत लोग करते हैं. Now it is due to internet we came to know. I am also, see myself, I am also practicing these things. So I can show you here, if it's you. I am writing positive affirmation sentences. This, see, every day I am writing. So it is been proven. I am taking massive actions to improve my contents and my screen presence, my health, my spirituality, everything I am taking care. Actions I am taking. So आप भी कर सकते हैं. आप सुपर अचीवर्स बन सकते हैं, and आप 100% you are performing well in your exams. This is 100% sure. Follow the steps and ace in your exams. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो smash the thumbs up button, share and subscribe to my channel. Let us build a community of super achievers. Let us build it in India. Okay. So thanks for watching and wait for my powerful video, next video. Okay. All the love, all the power.